kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Today we want to make you a nice, lovely Valentine dinner. Valentine dinner. And this is the way how it starts. First of all, we got 1, 2, 3 pieces of steak right here. It's Valentine, you need something red. Alright? So we're going to marinate the steak. First of all, I got some beef season. I'm going to put a little bit of beef season on it. And a little bit of paprika. And also some pepper. Cracked peppers. Basically, a lot of people when they're doing their beef, only thing they do is just put pepper and salt. But you know, we from the Caribbean, we're just trying to make it look a little bit different. Put some either olive oil or vegetable oil. I put roughly 2 tablespoons. Basically, I have some I'm just gonna marinate it like this inside of the pot, guys, just to get in the flavor from early. Alright. And to be honest, this kind of steak is very easy to cook. You don't wanna too over do it. So you just wanna make it simple, straightforward. Nice one. So let this soak for about 20 minutes. Nice and lovely. So right here I have a grill pan on the stove, roughly about 20 minutes now. Really hot. But guys, have to be careful. If you don't understand how to do this one, the grill, well, yeah, we all know how to use the grill pan. So basically I'm gonna grill my steak right here. I'm gonna show you something. So I'll marinate my meat now for about 20 minutes. So now I need to grill the steak. Alright. So basically just like this. Like this. It's only 2 pieces. Look at that lovely, the flavor which is coming from it is just really fantastic, guys. Seriously. Really nice. So as you can see, it's looking lovely, and this is exactly what we're looking for. I would say it's up to you how long you want to grill your steak, but some people grill it for 5 minutes and let blood run out of it. Some people want to red, some people want to medium, some people want all different kinds. But it's up to you how you want to serve your steak. Alright, so this is it. So basically this is almost finished now, and we're going to take them out and shear it out. So this is how we shear it out. Now this is almost finished. And it's actually really hot. Alright? Right now we're going to serve that lovely steak by simple with some strawberry syrup around it like this. Inside of the plate, get that lovely steak. Tomato and tomato again. Right here we have some lovely cooked broccoli. That's exactly what we're talking about. A nice, lovely meal for Valentine. So hopefully you guys will like the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you, and I know you guys will love it. So see you next time, and thank you so much for watching my cooking show, and hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Bye bye.